morning. This is a different type of video today. We've come all the way to Littleboy's, which is in Hinsley, Wakefield, Pontefract, not sure, but we managed to get here. I've come to have a look at a Waltzer today. It's not in operation, it's been restored, and I've brought Miles along to come and have a look. It's currently just running at the back. Nobody can go on it, obviously, because it's under restoration. But yeah, I forgot to say, it's the 2nd of June, and it's about 20 to 12 now. We did get here around 11, just after 11. So yeah, I'll spin you around in a minute, and so you can have a look what we came to see. Right, see you in a minute. You alright, Miles? Yeah, Miles is enjoying it, and here we are. Here's what we come to see. Sorry if the lights are flickering, but there's nothing I can do about that. Showing the front. Spoke to the man. He says not to go on it when it's running. It's currently stopped. I'll just have a little wander up on this corner. So as you can see, there's all the upholstery that needs doing, seating, putting in, so you can't ride it. That is one of the organs that they're going to be restoring. There's a juvenile bride that they restored. Looks like she's all ready to go. know, I'm going to have to talk over this. This is the open day for the haulage business that's next door, and this is some of the wagons that are on offer. So there's a Vixen there, don't know what it says, Foxy Dancer on it, Highland Flyer. I've not seen one of these before. It's a Guy, Otter, Deep Guy. What's that move? Oh, there's another Guy, Vixen. So yeah, there's some of the haulage wagons they have. Oh, there we go, there's some couple of cars here. Oh, that's for sale. Buy a Bentley. Ring Paul. I'm not sure his number. Yeah, nice looking Bentley. Miles is currently having a look at that. I'll have a look at this one. Yeah, I'll have a look in a minute, Miles. Miles is wanting me to have a look at something. Daimler Conquest Saloon. Look at that. Didn't expect some vintage cars when you turn up to a haulage business, but there you go. So a quick look inside. Yeah. Not much leg room in the back there. Not that you can see, I don't think you can see through the window. Let's have a look at the boot of this Bentley. Miles is impressed. You're impressed with that car, mate?
I'd buy it.
You buy it?
I'd buy it.
Miles has got to earn some money to buy that one, hasn't he? Yeah. Well, look, we can have a look. Oh, look. All leather interior by the looks of it. Let's go. Right. Round the back, they've got the doors open. Oh, that's nice interior on this one. All the wood. That's great. There's the back of that one. Doing a dance. Oh, some kids doing a dance over there. I'm not going to film that. Right. So they are. It's the Shires Removal Group. So it's their open day today, but because Littleboys have the rent that space off these this company, when these have an open day, they open their shed up to obviously showcase the Waltzer
Or whatever else.
and whatever else they have. But obviously there's just a Waltzer here at the moment, but there's some more stuff for us to have a look at. Right, well, I come into this shed and there's a few wagons for sale. There's an old fueling wagon there. I'll show you the front in a minute. I'm not sure what that one is. The blue and white one. Is this green and red? They're all for sale by the looks of it. Show you around the front. So if you like the look of these, come down here. There's a fueling wagon that I was pointing out. Thames Trader. This one there. Not sure if that's for sale or not. That looks like an old couple.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure they're using it to put stuff in while they do these or whatever.
Yeah. Putting rubbish in it.
Well, there's just a bunch of junk in it.
Too much junk in it. Let's go and have a look.
No for sale sign.
No for sale sign. Yeah, it looks like an old horse box or a cattle. No. Yeah, just looks like a bit of a dumping ground, this one. Yeah. You enjoying your day so far, Miles?
I want the Bentley.
You want the Bentley? He can't have the Bentley.
Why not?
Because I can't afford the Bentley.
Well, maybe in the future.
In the future. Yeah. when you start earning your own money, like Miles, are you happy? Found some trains. It's a removal company and they have trains. Albeit a bit worse for wear, to be honest. I don't know what they're going to use these for. I'm not a trainee. So, you know what these are? And good luck to you, because I don't. Miles is calling me what?
Found Bertie.
Found Bertie. What's Bertie? We'll have to see what Bertie is, but there's the trains. See what Miles is on about. Oh, there's a big fan there. Right, nearly as tall as I am. Oh, Miles has found Bertie.
Bertie.
There's Bertie, Industrial Railway Specialist. It says on here.
Look at that size compared to that.
Yeah.
Crazy, isn't it?
Right. There's a few trains. Plus Miles.
I'm a train.
Right. We'll treat you to an ice cream.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, this is the event. That's where the Waltzer is in there. And yeah, it's not a very big place. But we've had a good time here, haven't we, Moo? We've had a good time here.
It's a bit warm.
It's a bit warm. It's a beautiful day today.
Oh, really?
As you can see, it is. It's lovely.
It's too hot for me.
Too hot for Miles. But there you go. Miles,
Yeah.
we didn't win on darts.
No.
It was a pound ago to have a go at darts, and Miles has got himself a camera. Right. He can do his own footage from now on.
It's only a camera and a half wall.
Yeah. Right, well, it's a camera. It might be a filming camera.
Yeah, but it's very small.
Yeah. Pocket size.
Yeah. Good for days out, but maybe not.
For a quid. A pound. I sound like that man in Blackpool now, selling his burgers. It's a pound!
It's pounds.
Right, get our ice cream. Got our ice creams. It's a bit warm, so we're having to eat them quite quick. They're melting. He's been very kind to the ice cream man. He's given us 2 flakes for the price of 1. Beautiful. I recommend it. There's his van if you ever see it. Nice chap. Right. Literally licking it off my fingers. Right, see you in a bit. Finish my ice cream. Right. It's 1:10, as you just seen. You enjoyed yourself, Miles?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun. Nice to see the Waltzer in the flesh.
It's very old.
It's very old, 1938. Lakin.
It's not as old as you.
It's not as old as me. Why?
Because you're
my
older.
ancient.
Yes, you're ancient.
I don't know. We're currently in the car, so we
It's very
are
warm in here. Help me.
going home now. So we've had a nice couple of hours. Miles has enjoyed himself, I think.
Also, yeah, it's too warm
Yeah,
though. The car's
too
very
warm.
I need
It's
to
a very
sit down.
nice day today. It's currently, according to my car, 27 degrees,
That's what
which
said.
yesterday was about 14 degrees. So there's been a bit of a jump in the weather. But there you go. But we've
I'm
enjoyed
boiling up.
ourselves.
Help me.
You what?
I'm boiling up.
Boiling, help him. Get some ice, stick it on his head.
Yeah, please.
Right, that's our time done. So yeah, if you come here, this is on an industrial estate. The sat nav does take you the wrong way. I had to ask for directions to get here. Yeah, which wasn't really fun, but you know, when you don't know an area and the sat nav takes you somewhere completely different, well, it wasn't completely different, it was the other side but of where we was going, but you can't get down because there's a bridge and it's blocked off at the other end, so you have to come all the way round, which obviously when you don't know the area is not very favourable. But yeah, it's on an industrial estate. There's a bit next door, but there we go, I'll pull that down. It's over there, not very far, just park on the street here. Right, I'm going to take this down now. Let the beating sun in, as you do. Miles is sticking his head out.
I'm trying to cool down.
It's not that warm.
Put it in the back!
My God. No, it
warm.
can sit there, because that's where it lives. Lives in the footwell. And I'm not moving it. It's stopping there.
I need the cool air to move.
Yes, so we are going. Right, so you're going to slap us out, Miles?
Bye.
So see you next time.